Yeah, it's specifically related to the DC908 platform, which pretty much matches the highest capacity per rack unit that exists in the market. Right now, it offers this combination of electrical and optical modules, allowing a lot of flexibility in deployment. It also has a very sophisticated management system attached to it, and offers very high density of high capacity client interfaces. So from that point of view, it's a very strong entry in competitive sense.
With our long-term strategic consideration, we have made a decision strategically to go with the Huawei solution. In this case, that is the OptiXtrans DWDM solution. And we believe that it gives us the simplest and best path in terms of expansion.
We found products that are competitive, high quality. They are increasing all our previous status to a much better status now.
The new optical layer platform requires fewer types of boards and cards, simplifies installation and O&M, and further improves service provisioning efficiency.